Welcome to the Smart Science measuring video about the Wave Reflection Lab. In this lab, you're looking at how does the angle of the barrier affect the reflection angle for the waves. So there's an incoming angle and an outgoing angle for waves with a barrier, and you're going to learn more about that here. Notice some sample diagrams at the top of the page, kind of show you how the incoming and outgoing angles work. Now the first thing you're going to do after you review the guideline on how to measure, which is showing you to click on points along that reflected wave, is to pick or write a hypothesis you'd like to test. So if you pick a hypothesis, here's the list. If you're writing a hypothesis in more advanced classes, you'll see how to do that. Go ahead and click on one, and then pick a video you'd like to test. Notice we do have about 9 different videos we can run. Just picking one of these out, which has a frequency and an angle specified. We're then going to press the play button to watch that video. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and click on points along the wave. So you can see the wave coming in and you can see the wave going out. Let's go ahead and click on those points along that wave to create a position versus position type of graph. Now, the one thing you'll notice about these graphs is they do scale to the size of the data being measured. So if I do one of these at a particular angle, and let's just do another one at a particular angle just to show you the difference. Okay, now we're going to do this one. Okay, and I'm going to save that and just show you how you can easily compare those two graphs, right? So I know this might have not been the best example or the best job of measuring by me, but just notice now we can see the angles of those lines in comparison to each other. This one looks relatively flat, this one has a bit of an angle to it, and you can kind of figure out what that angle is by looking at how far the X and Y changes based on those points. So use the all button to compare the graphs easily and try to find out how the barrier angle changes the reflection angle for waves in this Smart Science lab.